How to merge multiple videos in CapCut. So merging multiple videos in CapCut is actually pretty easy. So our goal right now is basically merging 3 videos into one, and to do that, let's go ahead and open a new project. Now I have a couple of videos here, but I'm just gonna use here from the library. Basically, here are some of the things or clips that we can use. So we're just going to go ahead and choose this one, and then this one as well. And we're going to go ahead and include this one. Is going to be the third. So we're going to go ahead and choose HD and then basically add them. All right, so you now have 3 clips right here. So this is the first one, the second one, and then later on we have the third one here. Now in order for you to merge them, it's actually very simple. You can just head over to the export button here at the top, and what it does is essentially it is going to combine all of these 3 videos into one, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. So let's go ahead and open this one from the gallery. And there goes our video. So I'm going to go ahead and play this, and then you should be able to see this one right here. So it is going to have that transition, and then if we are going to go to the latter part, you will see a change as well. So yeah, that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.